Please remember, if it's your first time to the channel, please subscribe so you can be notified when we upload new content. And remember to hit that notification bell.
You know, so I ring up on the road last night. And I know so the man there who Ringo so much money. You know what Ringo do? Broke him man hand and broke him man foot in the pinky.
Him get back your money though?
Yeah, he get back the money, yes.
Me come to the pinky. Yeah. You know, I get a bus though, I want a loan.
Oh, give me 2 minutes. So you go on with that?
You know, it's a loan more borrow though. You know, I'm an upcoming artist.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The artist I know.
Yeah man, bust the road, you know, me thing large.
You know, a serious penalty if I get back my money.
No man, you get back your money man within 1 to 2 weeks. I mean, I'm sorry Jay, you know.
I know, so that's 20% interest.
20%?
Yeah.
Alright then. Yeah man, make you get back your money.
Yo. Boy, I line up 500,000. I'll make sure get it.
Open the door.
Fire, what's up?
Yeah,
You never call me come and say I can look for me.
yeah, friend, man, I never call you. I'm there, yeah, already.
Anyways man, you're welcome man. Come in, come in, come in.
She's gonna put no lock on the door.
You're welcome. Can make yourself comfortable and thing.
So I go on differently.
But then you know, I'm just come off a road though.
So I deal it differently.
You know, I work on my music and things.
You turn artist now.
Yeah, you know, you're about Sarah J from the street and thing.
I mean, I hear about it, I'm not too to read about. If you say so, but right, you want to be like Chelsea and them girl like.
Almost. But my thing I live up off of the ground now man, live. Yeah man, everything level.
Yeah, everybody feeds still.
Yeah, yeah.
That body work off and now. It's a shake. And next 2 weeks for now, 4 moms come down, you know.
Yes, I come in.
Yeah man, she'll come 2 weeks from
Make
now.
sure you bring her to come link me now.
Yeah man, for the end of the era man, we make a pass through, you know, you go.
Yeah.
Long time, you know, the
Miss
one
her.
place and all the vibes.
Sorry,
Hey, oh you can come in man.
You want to try to chop off here?
Alright, cool.
See what you can check here.
Alright, live. Thanks. Or yourself man, me link you. Yeah man, so wife is soon come and all these things.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Oh, but you have a different business though?
No man. I just for the financing for the next week at the studio.
Oh, you own a studio?
No, I'm gonna drop the video next week man.
Oh, so they might give money for the
Yeah
video?
man, that's the sourcing.
Be careful though. Cause some people take things from, you have to take other things from them.
No man, nothing like that. A good link man.
You're a girl I rate from long time, you know. You know what I mean? So, you know, say we try out of the force.
You know what I mean? So that, but we still have money still say. In any case, they could have reached out to me to give the money if you do the thing, but.
I truly not see nobody and thing. But a level source, man.
You know, I when you are bathing in the bathroom, I mean, I come link and I hear you sing and I hear you scream out. I say, no, how that Janet Jackson? You know what I mean? Or Mariah Carey? You know what I mean? And I said, no. Sarah, I said, no. You have a good voice, man. I'm encouraged you to go rising star. And you don't go because you say, boy, you're shy and them now go this and them now go that. I'm saying that anthem like I say a word. You know what I mean? It's soldier force, you know. So you know, so nobody could say nothing. I think we could have given a bad speech. You know what I mean? But you say no, but it's good for you know, so you take up it now. Support you 100%, man, over yourself.
Thanks, man.
So. But anyway, I'm there for you look a while, you know.
Okay.
I'm there, I'll check Sean them on the road and things.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
But you're the only person I trust enough to eat from, so put on a pot now.
Yeah, man, just like old times.
Yeah, man. I'm soon sorry for you back.
Yeah, man, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, I'm soon sorry.
Alright.
Alright.
Yo, Ringo.
What one?
There, right up on.
They are away from moms, you know.
Real. I just talk about moms. You know, some like our sister.
You never tell me that for a long time.
That me sure do, but you know, I think so tired, man. I just have to tell you now, so why you make a link for me?
Yeah, you're bridging. I'm going to come back from way away. So you make a do, you know. Check me down my yard later. I'm going to make it get your sister. Don't worry about that, man. We have everything go.
Yo, no say a word, see?
I mean, man, you're bridging, man.
Alright, well, handle your business.
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to sis.
You know something there? So take life easy, you know?
Everybody work.
And if you tell you about it, stress me out more while, you know?
Sis, I go through a rough time right now.
Everybody I go through it right now, you know? But me understand. You have to take life easy, see me, you know? And don't give up, you see it?
You know, so me have an idea. I want to party, me I think about. You know the song I name Send It Up?
Yeah, man, what you talk about, man?
Hot song there. Would keep a party and name there. Me did save up some money still. And not really enough.
Oh, you don't have as much?
No.
Okay.
So me think me could have get some money for borrow for make up if you keep the party. I don't really have nobody who me can go to. I alone me have who me can come to.
You know, say, Jano Star, right now, I'm low. I don't have as much money if I can give you. Right now, I'm desk. Money we did have this morning, take and buy something for cook. I broke right now, for real. You know, say, as a big sister, any of me did have it. More than anything.
Why, me know, sis, you're always there for me. But here, I have a friend on the road named Pinky. I can check it out.
Go and talk, man, me I listen to you.
My mother do borrow money from him.
Pinky! Them man, they no run joke. Where you say, you and Pinky are friend?
Yeah.
Are the worst man you go borrow money from. Them the people that no run joke with their money.
Sis, me understand, say care about me, you know. We are brother and sister. But more if you know, say far, me and Pinky I come from.
Me no want know if a far and near a dangerous youth that no play with him, he no ramp with him money if he lend you half to give him back the exact time when he asks you for it.
You don't know me and Pinky live.
Oh, excuse me. But me tell you something. I look like you insist to go borrow people their money. And you're not sure if you go have it back to give him.
Me don't know what you are talking about.
Since as you insist, go and go do what you want to do.
Alright, sis. Alright. One more thing me have to tell you before me leave. More you can help me in the bar.
You know, so me no go a dance though. Me no go a dance. But me can get somebody to come help you there.
Alright, that sounds good. Me work with that. So, I link Pink Boss now. Me link about it.
Alright then.
Alright.
Renga! Come in and break it. I do this. Come here, man. So where's that going on, General?
Yeah, remember I tell us if you make a link about Christina for me.
Oh, you serious, man? Christine! I'm the control here, you know. Christine!
Yeah,
Come here.
may I come?
Hurry up, hurry up. I have a present out of you.
Where you call me for?
I have a man to give you because from what you have noticed, you want a man. So, you might the right one of my friend, he can't do nothing. And you not going to think to do that. So, you what me going to do? I go to some space and talk it out. And then when I come back and you say, you're making gone over, you know, make sure you work it out. But I left two of you say, I go to privacy.
Boy, Christine, a long time I like her still. We just sit kind of look a bit afraid to tell her still. So I just must up some courage and tell Ringo to tell her say, I like you.
So when I have to go through my brother-in-law to tell me say you like me, you could just see me and tell me yourself.
As I tell her still, I kind of look a bit shy, you see me? But through me know say Ringo and my brother and him run off the yard. That's why I tell him to tell her. When I realize that I say, you know, tell her nothing. So that's why I tell her myself.
Okay. You never tell me nothing still, but no, that's me know.
So you I'm gonna take your number and we can text here. Your number. Alright, so if anything me text you later here. Yeah, so me text you. So just tell Ringo so I'm gone here.
Alright.
Ringo. Yo. You know, say, I want to show people say I'm an upstanding citizen in our community. And the carry man come right at me apartment to come show the community say that's how we live.
So Pinky, you know what respect. If the people them see a touch of this man in the community, you know, me not have to go for them, you know. Then carry their money come give you.
Two and one, man.
Yes, sir.
Squiggly.
Yes, sir.
How long now since you home money?
About 3 weeks now.
So Squiggly, you know a procedure, you know, me tell you say yo, all we think come down, you know, and not normal, you know. Me never tell her that.
Unfortunately, me have to wait for interest can go upon you, know.
Yo, don't talk to the boss hard. Tell her that.
You see if your mother never there, me I tell you say yo, I bury you. I don't know a joke thing.
What one?
Yo, let him go.
I want to talk to you one away. Come out of some.
Let's say I'm going to know about you.
There, man. Check me so I can check about something. I think about it still, but yeah, you know what I say? Right now things rough for me right now. Nothing now go on.
Brother, for a long time I tell you say that damn foot still. Because me I come from far. You see me? Me I even closer than them boy over so. Them a new friend, you know, them easy to switch a long time, you know.
You know, say me understand what you say, but you know, me don't want really take the way there. I don't feel me way that. But here me I check up and do one party, I want to keep. I should save up a certain amount of money. And not enough. You see me? I want a piece, all one for borrow.
How much money we are talking about?
300,000.
300,000. Yo, I have a friend. And so when it come to my money, I'm gonna run Joe. Because if I give you time, when if you pay me back, at the time I'm want money.
Now why yourself Pinky, man? As the party done, me I come check you. And when I send some girls come at the party there. Party there, I want hot party, you know. You know the song name, Send It Up. So the party name, you know, Send It Up. I can't send a boy, I can't pass through.
Know yourself, man. Know yourself, man. I send for some buckle.
Yeah, man, alright.
Bless up.
Yes, sis, and I'm happy to see you find one little man and something do.
Cha, Omar, I just saw a ring up friend and I don't want him feel no way, you know. But I'm not too into that.
What you mean you don't want him and a good hard-working man? He nice and everything and him a work. What you mean you don't want him and you taking things?
Girl, relax. Yes, my work, but he not drive. So I know me figure out stuff. And if in there drive, me could have called him and say, I can't make a stop, me go take taxi. Girl, my man we a drive. And me can call and say, Ray, me want to go on the road. You don't understand?
Seems like that I say. Or go on and stop then so you can get a thing them before stop close off.
Yeah, girl, me a go stop up. Me wait for Omar to come to carry money from give me.
So you don't want him and you wait for Omar to carry money come?
Girl,
but you heartless.
Relax. You know, say me stay same way, but you just an idea one.
No, me and you have nothing in common. Wait, see me come here.
You got
Stop nice, stop nice.
Wagwan Ashley Bay.
Wagwan, Omar.
There.
Yo, sis, me I go deal with something.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you say I got no base, where do?
You know, say you me there wait and still pay money for come gas have.
You know, so really and truly, I don't love how you treat me. Don't love how you treat me. Because look how long me and you talk. And I know me ain't do nothing. Why go on for that? No, man, me not understand. You have to explain. Me not say me not give you money, you know. But at least, you have to tell me something that me feel good.
Babes, I tell you to just relax. When I come for a sub, I come check you later.
I same thing you tell me last night, you know. And you have me in my yard, take off my clothes, lay down on the sheet and wait and I'll know.
Why I rush myself? I tell you say good things come to those who wait. And me have good things. So just wait now. You can't just relax.
Alright, babes. Ring her there on there?
No, you know.
Alright.
But my sister, I have to ask my sister which part in there.
Our eyebrow guard.
You know, saying that no surgeon by one to store.
Oh. Alright.
Yo, we'll start a new game now. Yo, hold on there now. Hold on, you can't call now. Here.
You really want all of these because you make mistake there, so.
Boy, I tell you. One more. Look at leak, boy.
You always me a look for you, right? You must have wonder why me I do it. Come here pray you're sexy and just take up that man and you know, and then a man want the job. But you know, look my direction. I don't know why.
Well, I know I bro for a long time, so I don't see sense you can't look me now.
Him not no time for you. You notice when in there for me foot. Because you have to report to me.
Well, you're talking to me now, and it's like you're talking about material things. You're telling me that you're his boss and stuff. But I'm a girl. It doesn't matter about material things, okay? As long as the person loves me, that's all I want.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, I believe when I talk about love, you know, 'cause that's how I love it. You know, when time somebody have coconut and ring here to an island, you have to press it. That's how I press my love for you. Right now, I get you, I put on badness. I talk murder people. I just want to marry and settle down. That's why sometimes I see me go down for a man and I see them with a relationship and then this my boss. I not left you alive. You have to understand what I'm talking about. Just think about it. Because you know, eyebrow, I know I must tell you say, and me are the general. And me go respond to you if anything happen. You not tell her that?
If him dead now, yeah, I have no other choice.
I really like you still, you know. I tell her I plan to marry. And the I would have walked married with you. So, everything will be normal.
I go on now.
So how long the man take to leak?
Ringo, come on.
Right now.
Ringo, how you feel like your friend, man?
Hey boy, you're informer. You don't know some murder informer. And what you think boss is saying go and go do? People were who him, people were inform. I know you're going to inform. You want to inform like you want to inform for me.
You can't do that.
Listen me.
You can't look your friend, man. That me I tell her to.
Alright. Just talk out of your mouth. Just talk out of your...
Yo, making the most man over here. That me I tell her. I don't know what I mean.
Yeah man, kill him.
Who kill who? Boss, my body's man around here. Who kill who? Who kill who? You know what? You disappear. You disappear. You disappear.
How we are go?
Come on. This over there. Come on, sir. Yes, sir, you're dead today. Put up your hand there. You're a murderer. Who you kill?
So you look for me good. Eh? I saw no blind to society. Look for me. I want mosquito pitch for me. I can't kill them because so run them out. I can't kill a soul. Not even ants. But listen up. I can tell you who is the murderer around here. All you have to do, just give me a number. And me will show you who is the murderer around here. I can kill a fowl. Not even the white fowl. Just give me a number. Just put your number in my phone. And I will call you definitely. Alright, soldier. Just look out for me call.
And the youth, they will miss you with a while ago, when I talk about killing. How will he be?
He can't kill a roach, man. He's a fool.
Alright, just call me for anything.
Alright, no worries, soldier. I will surely call you.
When I walk, every man get astonished. Left the girl, them a panic, them a jam up like traffic. Wonder if me do my body, me's a girl when I average. Pull up a man, links me a the female savage. Ashley B, love the weed, now give me coke time and like goat money, no sun pan sure can't see them man.
Where you on, Ashley?
You know someday I go and write one song for carry up on the studio.
I really don't like how your sister treat me. You know what she did?
You know say she not there? She not come back from last night, you know.
You know, so me and sister talk all along. And I know me and sister do nothing. A be style, sister style, you know.
Me see it, you know. Me see that from when me I say, yo, me not like how she a deal with it, you know. And me I consider about it because he's a very good man. You don't deserve it.
You know, say you first me they like. But I told me I ring garbage and that's why I just easy.
You know what I like it too? I'm well one pitney, you know, me I consider about it and the boy Ringo just so workless so. Can't breed me, can't give me no pitney. Cause Ringo not even like give me no money and they certainly. Yeah. And me I tell her say, he just a bad up himself and I go on like a bad man and they certainly.
Alright.
Yeah.
You know what you do? You give me the number on my phone, me and you can chat.
Yeah man. Long time I should have all have my number. Call me anytime.
Alright, so, yo, don't bother even tell your sister somebody come. See?
No, sir, I don't tell her nothing, man. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, what going on now? You see all of them people down there, so you make sure so you collect my money, you know. Now we're not joking, you know.
So how much them owe you? Cause right now, you know, I feel like just murder all of them down there, you know.
Yeah, about $2.5 million out.
What you say, boss? You don't want no money.
Wanna do the right thing. Yo, change us to
When an emergency make you call me up on the phone, I couldn't even hear what you say.
From the last time I have sex, you know, man, I don't feel good, you know. Feel different. I don't know if I'm pregnant, but I not even want to jump to that yet. You understand? I don't want to say that. But I feel different.
Don't worry yourself, man. We got this covered. Just buy one test and make sure, say, if I'm pregnant or pregnant, we just know what to do.
Go check it out and make you know what result because I don't mind if I want to.
Alright, yeah.
I want more test, so.
You know, say I pass and I say I check for Ringo and I see her, so I not even to a Terry still, you see me?
Oh, you not even call me and sitting there again. I want So give me money now.
I still recheck for you, man, but yo, I don't have nothing for me now. Look at me, see? Yo, just tell Ringo somebody come check him.
Girl, you know something like how you too close up with Omar though.
Sure, nobody want Omar. Omar never have no money. And the first thing I ring a friend.
You go on. I'm going to tell Ringo about you. So how you know say Omar nah no money?
What you mean, girl? I don't want your man, girl. First thing, you tell me say the man have no money. What you mean by how me know that? I don't have my man. Ringo and my man. I don't want no other man.
Girl, you know say if you stop it, you know say I say stay from your little pitney. Everybody when you see me I talk to you always try to come in front. True, you have everybody more than me. And remember say when Omar give me a little money, and Ringo not give no money, and me I come to borrow money from.
So how me hear me name I call up in and say, what go on?
Oh, me I tell her say, you're best man, me ever talk to.
Oh, come ready to shoot up the place now. I'll panty me and shoot you now. So we come on now, move to the rest. No, you come like you're mad. No food, no cook, man. Never a road, I want to take me back. You, where you do that on them?
I'm here.
Call Keisha, yeah. Oh boy. Hello? Renee? What go on, girl? My day, I know say look like me have something to tell you. No, say I'm pregnant, girl, for Omar. You don't know who name Omar? The man who my sister did there with. Yeah. He give me some money for go do a test. But I don't do it yet, but I feel, how you feel when I'm pregnant? Because you have how much pitney already, girl. You have the experience. Yeah, girl, I go call you. Go call you and make you know everything what I go on, yeah?
Okay. So if you say me your sister, and every day you plead to me about Omar, and then they sit there and go on with it. Alright, don't move. Wait till I come around it. Don't move enough. Oh, so all along you tell me say you're Omar and you no dealings. You're Omar in a business.
After I want somebody named Omar.
Since I said my Omar, you don't have a problem if me tell Ringo.
No, girl, you don't have to make it reach the listen. Remember that tell Ringo no. Remember to me your sister.
Me and your sister.
Girl, you not even did want Omar in the first place. You didn't want Omar neither.
So that still not give it no right to cut me in between me and Omar. Me come in between you and Ringo. I gonna tell Ringo upon you.
Nobody tell Ringo nothing, girl. Me and your sister. You don't have to do this. Come here now.
Oh man, you can't hide that you're super stone deal. Where you hide, man? Oh, you're around, eh?
Hello.
What about baby?
You know, so me have something to tell you. My sister come out on the road right now to come see you. You know, so I'm pregnant.
What you say? I know me, hey, I know me go baptize you know. You know, long one that you would.
I don't feel pitney. I feel your best friend.
Pregnant for who? Yo, the road. See Omar, my best friend.
I can't take it cussing right now. I can't take this a drama, yeah. When I come in, I'm going to see my body way.
Me a come down there, no move. Wheelchair fit you, no move. Me a come. Where is the sister?
You know, so I just left him on here because you me I look for.
She not down there.
You know, so I sit me there to tell you though.
Me here already. She call and tell me. And right now, me not see nothing down there for her. Not one pin or a nickel.
Me left him down there. To tell you the truth, me a man there, you know. Me a man never do nothing yet.
Alright, me a look for Omar, so just look out for your car, yeah?
Alright.
If you have reached this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, please stop and just subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Yeah, you know, some day here, I want to eat to do.
Okay. May I make you get the thing soon here?
No, the boss is, you don't want to talk to you, you know. I mean, let's get in charge of boss, so he need the money.
Look, man, I told him last week. It's just a couple of days. Why not rush me so far? I make you get the money. I swear.
No, boss, give you time to come with the money. And you will tell me to give you a couple of days. No, that cannot work.
I'm telling. Alright, what do you want me to do then?
We need to come down by a place. You understand? Because we need the money today.
Alright, only can give me a different deadline work with, please. Me not have no money right now. But tell you the truth, if I get a package, right? It just not reach yet. Trust me, man. Give me one next week. Talk to him for me now.
Boss is a serious man. They can't play bossy thing, you know.
I get that, but I mean, you can talk to him for me.
Talk right now. We can't talk to boss the way boss is ignorant right now. Boss can't talk on the phone right now. I mean, let's in charge. So, anything you have to do to get the money, you have to do anything to get the money, do you understand?
Alright. Alright, you can check me. Me call you back, don't worry yourself. Call link me now.
Alright, man, I'll link you.
Alright.
Sorry, Jay.
Alright, I'm coming. What's up? Oh, hey, come in, man. Come in. The boss know you come over here?
I don't know, man.
Him know?
Yes, you know.
Sit down, man, and chill. Where you going to? Sit down. Just sit down. We're going to talk about
No,
this.
sir, I'm looking at a place up decent.
Okay. Look, we need to talk about this. You know me, man. And I like when you don't know me. You know me. You not fair deal with me, so. You understand? Me know bossy kind of strict and something, but I'm me a deal. You understand? You know what? You want something to drink?
No.
Make a reason. Alright. Just like old times, you know?
That done good.
Look, man, that's not what you come over here for. We just want to talk about the...
I know, but one time I say, oh man, look good. I have to tell her, say, I look good. Thanks.
Yeah, man, you know, so that's me a deal. So how soon you say you want the money now?
Well, different from this, and I run come out and drink still.
But look here, that's alright. Forget that. As a friend, me give a drink a long time. From December, me no link. So the second drink. Me never give a drink to the second drink. Yeah, man, just easy yourself, man. That's money that, you know. A vanity, don't go on some man. Boss, I go and kidnap up a money done upon him too.
For me, a boss, yeah, what boss always tell me, say, business before pleasure. So
I
boss,
get
yeah,
that, but this is
money.
not pleasure for me. This is business. Alright, suppose more put 20% on it. Give me a little time. Nothing wrong.
Boss, you say make a time with you already, you know.
Alright, you need to understand, say, a bag of things are going now. The system not fast like one time.
Alright, so here you go do for me. You say anything you have to go do. If you even have to go, they go also, you have to go there.
So what that's supposed to mean, anything me have to go do?
Well, if I'm on the beach, you have to go. You have to go there.
You wanna come to me with that, man. Hear what? You know what, I couldn't get no money. You understand me? But for now, could just deal like brethren. Drink your drink and me talk and laugh. You understand me? What you can do for me? Just talk to bossy.
Right now, I can't talk to boss right now, you know. Because boss, I don't know talking mode right now. I'm well grimy about the money.
You need it. Like tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight.
No, no, sir. You know what? Yo, I get a piece of food. You just give me some more time here.
Yeah, man. A long time, you know.
That means I don't know deal, Mr. Hard. I get for the money and come.
I'm a big boss more time for you here.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Alright.
Alright, see you at this me out. So until later, here.
Alright, then I go up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Gringo want a one girl. So I go up on the road.
Alright, now come back until I call you, you know. Don't come back until I call you, here. So I call him, have the money.
Here now. Next time, probably saying Gringo. So make sure you say I have the money. Saying
Make
Gringo,
sure you
action.
buy him something to the day, here.
Come on.
Alright. Hi. Hey, what's up, Sai?
You okay?
It's been a while.
True.
Oh, Hellfire, you're with your boo. You were just trying to see you sit down, make yourself comfortable.
I got you.
My God, it's been a while though.
V.
We just pass through place, you know.
Okay.
Through you, just pass.
Oh my God, Sister Fire, bring her back in the place, come show the community and stuff.
Yeah, man, you know.
Oh, that's nice. Yo, so much thing going on right now, man. I'm happy to see you guys though. Okay, no party, nothing at all?
No, we kind of beat out because the sun hot, you know. We have some little liquor in the cabinet, you know what I mean? So
Okay.
we just bring something on us. Full of vibes, you know what I mean? So we just go home. But she want to come on here, so some of us pass through, you know what I mean? So why baby there? When I say you're pregnant, what day?
That was rumor. Nothing like that.
And when you don't see it, you know, them go say, boy, you eat it.
Again, that's rumor. I don't do the stuff.
You know, eat it.
Yeah, so how you enjoying the food out here and stuff?
It's actually really good, you know? Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna go back with like a couple extra pounds on me.
You should. I mean, it's thick girl world, so that would be a good look on you. Wait, did you all watch the news? See what's happening in Nigeria?
Yes, babes, yeah, I think that come in from the phone, man. See that on the phone. Yeah, where the man say, boy, if you know have your passport, you know what I mean, you can't go in a certain places. But I don't plan for Jamaica long time. I take my money to bank long time, so they didn't want to say I can't go bank because of that. It's cool, you know what I mean?
Wait, you mean you store all your money at home?
No, I know. I like not their yard, you know. But,
Yeah.
I mean, it's not in the bank though.
Okay.
You know what I mean? We kind of have one look at things.
That sounds really smart.
So,
Okay. So you have like a safe at home and stuff?
we have it in the right place, man. In the right place, you know.
Okay, I get you.
And Babylon system not gonna work too long. If I saw them go cut it car, you know what I mean? I'm not working on the forcing thing. You can't force food on what I want to do.
That sounds like a smart idea.
Yeah.
So yeah, what? One more time, you know.
Yeah, man. Take care. And take care of Sai for me. Bye, Sai.
Is it Sarah?
Yeah, man. We'll see you
Thank you.
soon, alright?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by.
What's
Thank
up?
you. Take care.
Come on,
Take care. Alrighty. Safe travels. Alrighty.
You see me hand on the bruise up? Correct. I'm a bridging. Never give him some top and some fist.
So, how a man do now?
When do the man do the worst thing of him feed the man, the clothe the man go sleep with my woman. Eh? And then the worst part of it, my woman a breed. So sometimes you see, it's not good to put up friend when you have your woman in your yard.
Are you near Ringa, you know? You're not supposed to fear nothing out the road there, you know?
Let me tell you something, we don't understand. Bad man, yes, me murder people, but it's when you get burned that better than me. It hurt me heart. If I'm feed the boy, clothe the boy got Bobby woman got Jacqueline.
Hello?
Yo. Where there?
Yeah, you know, so do me a ring go there. I go on all the vibes.
Alright. Me come meet you.
Yeah, man. Come meet me up at Big Red Gate. Yeah, man. Right up there, so me a talk. Quite too big like them there. So far there.
Ah, you're crying.
Night.
Good night.
Me know if it's a piece of money there, you know. But me never brave enough to go for it.
Yeah, I mean, man. I'm brave to go for anything.
But I think you alone can go for it. Him and the woman live there.
Yes, so me a wife sleep, you know. Can give me sleeping powder.
You're gonna need help, man, so get the help.
The best thing that's still.
Yeah, man. And make sure everybody can get them cut out. Bossy can get fame, you can get fame, you can give your friend. And me get my cut same way. Everybody fair and square.
Well, I'm loyal, no.
Yeah. That me rate with you a long time, man. For me, I come from primary school, so I know you can do it.
Alright then, mama.
Yeah, man.
So,
Respect. For me, I come from, I know you can do this. Alright, let's say nothing here.
Keisha, right now, me I tell you the truth, you know. Me put out your sister, you know. You girl have a dirty style, man. You can breathe from a bridging. Yeah, man, you me want, you know. Remember, tell me say you love gunman, you know. You say you want gunman down there, you know. So I'm ready, you know. I don't ball me a ball, Keisha, but you know say bone hot. Bad man a murderer, but when you get bone, you have to ball. Yes. Alright, so I'll come pick you up.
Ringo. Here, come off my phone.
Where I say?
Yo, I'm gonna check a girl a while ago in a Ringo. And he can't fuck up boss money give me, you know.
No have bossy money.
The girl have some friend. We have whole heap of money down in the place. So she have a good on there. Go link them. She will go in her house. So when she come out, she will left the door open. That we can run in there. It's like taking a candy from a baby.
Oh, so you feel say that's come like a taking candy from a baby. But you wanna know, me have a better mission than that. Me, I gotta check my baby mother sister before my virgin breed that. So you me I tell you if you do now. It's like how it's taking candy from a baby, me gonna make you go for the big old AK. You know the big gun? You just don't use it to intimidate. Me I'll tell you something. Me know say I informer, but me I gotta tell you the same way. You know say as much as they hear me name Ringo, the old Batman, I never kill no man ever assistant for me, you know. Me make sure me give them a different identity and pay them say no come back round here so. Sometimes boss ask me then them say me bury that deep. So me don't want you kill nobody. Remember say me want I'm not a real murderer, that's why see me a ball. Because bun is the most murdering thing in Jamaica. Alright. Go and eat your candy.
Hello. All right. Yeah, man. So we now gonna our studio chill out, you know. So yeah, man. I don't know if I can pass through, cause those not all those I said, but yeah, more can go and talk, cause she know cause she wants to sleep though. Yeah, man. Do that and check. What's up with this call? Oh, sorry, Jay. See you forward.
Alright.
Go ahead.
Sorry, Jay. Hi. How are you, friend? I'm good. And you? Oh my God. What's up? You guys talking about to sleep or something? You make myself comfortable. What you guys doing?
We just chilling, watching TV, you know? Not intruding or nothing. Always. So what you want?
But just over me had bored and say my company a visit, you know. Lonely girl, not a man or something, somebody say. Why not me and you and Fire go clubbing?
Well, the club vibe sound good, but right now, I'm not tired. I've been on the road for morning, you know what I mean?
Okay.
That's why you should get a man put in your yard. You wanna feel so boring over your yard.
Come on, fireman. Man of the least. Can't bother with that right now.
So anyway, tomorrow will be a better vibes, you know what I mean? Cause we have look at errands to run, but we'll be cool.
Come on, I wanted to chill with my friends. That's the whole deal of me just not coming over here. Alright, no problem. Good night, girl.
Alright, I'm calling you in the morning.
Alright, definitely.
Don't go away. You already know how this shit goes.
I know. Take care.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Let me know when you get in.
Alright, will do. Definitely.
Cool.
Stay safe, Fire.
Yeah, man.
Make some babies, alright?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Just pull up a grill out there, alright?
Alright, no problem. Take care.
Alright. They say we should make baby. You want to make one? Or two?
Are you ready for that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you're ready for that.
Come on, let's get it.
I mean, all that money you have in the house. What if I make a home show to you, see?
Look at some. Look at it. Show us some. Around place are coming on daddy. Come take off your mask. You see how we do. Around place are coming on. I know I retire soldier, you know. So the man could go in and get to know for use. Where you get it from? But me I say it differently though. Who send a come?
Bossy, I know so I'm a black tall girl. Her name's Sarah J.
You're shooting there. Just squeeze the trigger.
No, shoot me. Can call a girl and make her talk to him, bossy. Yeah, do me a bigger, kill me.
Alright, call her and put the phone on speaker. Me hear she voice and hear what she say. Tell her say you get through. Or you murder her already.
Hey, what's up? You get through?
The man not have no money, you know.
What do you mean? The man send me same kick all his money home, he not still on the bank.
The man not have no money, me search the whole house. And I tell you about me search, no money they don't have.
Yeah.
So me fi do?
You mean, get the money.
But if no money there, what am I supposed to do?
Ask them about him and pressure them till they get it. They have the money. Now, the people them want to pay you back. Pressure them, pay them have it.
Yeah, just hang up the phone. Just hang up the phone.
Yo, what you going to do now? You call her and tell her, say, you kill it two away. She must come help you.
Yo, Sarah J. No, so me kill it to object them though. And my wife can help me look for money. Right now. Also no evidence on there on the place, man. Alright. So what else make the bossy?
Let's set up everything, car. Keep it gun in your hand, keep it gun on him, just cover it in a sheet. If you move your shoot him, you focus for your friend. Focus for your friend. So they try to rob me and they would have killed us if we come to test. What do you want to do?
It's your call still. I thought she was my friend. You dig?
Brown man, if you want to live killer, you have 5 minutes. I don't talk many of a story, you know, but I was in the force as a soldier. So you go on and now. The two of you go owe me. I could have killed the two of you and get to my house. The phone with gun and a coward. You know what I mean? We're not fighting nothing sensible. So, you, we say me your friend, you see the day where you know deliver is the day this teaching media. I'm going to press charge against you for attempted murder because you send gunman to kill her. You know what I mean? You understand what you do? You have to know what you do. Because you're a killer now and kill a gunman friend too. But make it want to go on. No blood for my hand tonight. You know what I mean? Because I'm not coward. Video them, baby. Video them. I want to talk to. Apologize. Apologize to me, my friend.
Alright, sorry, I apologize to you. Fire, you have to understand. I probably in them, but I never want my friend them dead. I don't know what happened. I tell him just get the money and go. You see? If I don't pay the money, them will kill me. I couldn't come to know it because I know you know some mix up in some corruption. Me a friend fire. I swear to you, I never want this to happen. Please, I beg you, say, understand. Just the money I want. Please, me I beg you. Beg me, I beg you for you. Please, me I beg you. Do. Nobody do this to me, please. Me pay back on the money. Don't do this to me, please. I beg you.
It's a good thing. I have my license for your arm and I show my girlfriend how to use it. So that me use for while I try to hold me up, then I know some wife have it for your arm in the bed. You know what I mean? I think use on this arm. The use on this arm. What I'm gonna do, hold it on me, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm telling you that badness don't pay. You know what I mean? So this is what gonna happen. They're gonna owe me for the rest of their life. You know what I mean? For sparing them life. Gonna come out of my house now. Yeah. See it, I can't trust people not at all. Who need enemies when you have a friend like them, man? Can you see? A girl that would give everything, would eat and drink for her, and she just set me up. She would have told me like, if you go now with a smart gunman, would have dead. You know what I mean? She have to take life very serious. How can we trust these people? You know what I mean? Have to power P's and Q's.
Nah, it was my friend too. I'm sorry, B.
It's okay. I don't feel like I want to sleep anymore. This wake me up.
Yeah, man. No lie. I'm about to go hold a fresh though. You come with me.
Yeah, let's go. Nah, let's go. Nah, let's go.
Ringo!
There, man, there.
Yeah, I'll go with General. Yeah, go and hold it.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
So Keisha good.
Yeah, man. Keisha down for the block. I go and hold her vibes, you know. I go and hold the block, you know.
But wait, what go on Ringo? Alright, bro.
I know, yeah, I go and hold the vibes here.
Alright, everything bless up, man.
Yeah, man, everything bless, man.
Alright, only honors, me
Yeah,
in the
man.
house still.
Alright.
Yeah, me General.
Anyway, still, I'm glad you come check me still because I want to come mission and want to deal with. But you want to know, I go down on the road, so I be a police down on the road, so I want to lock off this to me. Just roll it.
What you want? I couldn't give boss one back the gun, man. The lock off like one down.
You don't know this man, him chica happy, him kill all the baby.
Yeah, me forgot to. You want? I go and hold on panicking, but you see when you come back, make sure you come link me and get it back for night.
Just don't move from right, so right, so me I come back.
Alright.
Just roll off the black for me.
I go and burn a flash now, I mean, man. See, sir?
Burn the flash. I lost the eye. Burn it, man. Burn it.
Go on, my dopes. Everything good, man.
Yeah, man, me General. I go and hold off the black.
So the next man me hear him out of reason.
I don't know. The boss just left me and said to hold on passing the kind of going around on the block there, sir.
I say, man, nobody show up in that, man. I'm sitting there, I can protect your father or anything like that. You know,
yeah, I say my father.
Nobody will say nothing. Let me show you what one. It's as simple as you see this. This can save your life one day, that may I tell you.
For real?
Hold it, you just put it under your shirt. You see this now, you put it under your shirt, now go for some tape. And you tape up your right here, so that may I tell you. Just do what I say.
About it, I'll deal with it.
Right away, I'll go for some tape.
Yeah, I'll deal with it.
Soji. Yes, the wanted man. You see man, I'm telling you, they murder people them around here. You just see him with the gun. Yeah man, run a Ringo yard on the veranda there. Our Ringo have to run. Yeah man, alright.
Yeah, mom, get one of them now. He dead, man, he dead. Alright.
Hello.
Where the girl?
I'm at home.
You know, me I call link me I start music again.
Oh, well, that could have been no.
When I come around, man, I can't talk right now. I feel it to my heart, man. I can't talk. I come.
Aye.
Alright. Take so long to open the door, man.
I was sleeping.
Why? I don't know what to tell us right now, you know. You know the eyebrow dead.
What do you mean by dead?
As in dead. Why, can't believe it. I'm giving life like that. Oh God, man.
You sure him?
I think a year. The same time him gone. I'm still responsive, so you know, I have to fret. So, you know, just forget that, man. So, anyway. So, like come here, a new man now. What's the dinner?
I was gonna pick some stew, please.
No, man. No bother with that. Better yet, you better me carry out.
Alright, that can work.
How many done in this for?
They might look for me. Pinky look for me.
Where you talk about?
The money when me borrow from him. The party no work out and him a look for me.
Me tell you, you know, Jesus Christ. Me tell you, see, you don't listen to me. You don't listen to me.
You know, all of the liquor them when me get from consignment. And the money when me make, you see all of the money me get gone upon all of that.
See there, now you have to hide. Me warn you about that youth they when named Pinky. Them a come.
Good evening, Rasta lady.
Good evening.
Where your brother there?
What happened? Where your name have?
And him where I look for?
You for what?
Him who the boss.
You see Pinky and my brother a friend. Them a friend for a long time. You understand? And it not right for you have your friend and lend him more money and then want war him. A matter of fact, want come kill him over it. Me no know my brother there. And before Pinky turn Pinky as what him say, a Keaton did name. So if a chew him hype now, he might go send Uno if come kill off his friend. That not sound good. You understand? So and if you no want go back go tell him say Missy so no can go and go tell him. But I know so friend deal with friend.
Me not care nothing about no friend. It's when me get a harder. And if me even catch all the fly, me a murder it.
Look down there so on the picnic them how them a play. Look down there, you turn up a steer palm me. Look down there so. I saw Pinky and my brother used to play. Oh, you just come and come make friend with Pinky. Pinky know my brother before you.
Lucky, I tell me, show me picnic. Not show me them because them say when I come and kill the car, you see government we have right now. They only make them play a little ball for now. But when later tough, I show me no hurt too, man. Wait till I hold him.
You see round at the house where me used to live before? Go on round there right now. See here. Go on right now.
Go skinny dipping later?
You say too much.
Maybe. To get a baby.
Why you always talking about baby?
What about my friend?
I say you look good. What go on say? A long time I no see you.
Nothing much. I just came back in yesterday. You okay?
Me good man.
Pass your pass, you know. Some night town run go see what I go and said here. But I don't know how to manage too much kids there, so I make too much noise. I'm so glad I wall house living down there, sir. Too much noise, man.
And you see, he was just talking about having babies a while ago. He played too much.
Yeah, but there's time and place for everything, though. You know what I mean?
But you have to put up with that too.
Yo, Blocks! What go on? Where I deal it?
There, man.
There's no weed for you. You ready though? Get a portion of it and come check me, because my mom down here they want some weed to burn. See it?
Alright.
Just do it. That's the word. Yeah. The man there have weed, you know, him have good weed, is it? The man say him have some kush, so I'm going to link later. Candy. We talk, you know. Chef, some things on yard, just check it down there. Come on, baby.
We'll talk later, Candy.
Alright then.
Remember we?
Yeah, man.
What's your way boss, you know?
Boss good, man. The boss thing so sort out.
No, man, that good, man. We just want to impress make a call. Somebody want hold.
Yo,
Where are you?
what going on? Kayla, me there on a novelist shop. You can't come check me now.
Yeah, man, I'm right now.
Alright. Hurry up, bro.
Alright,
So no go on in here now. Yeah?
Alright.
Don't move. Yeah, man, I saw one woman looking at them. Yeah. Bring come. You hold the boss.
Boy, man, I call you and no answer your phone. I make him wake me up and ask me about money. So when man money there?
Me keep the party, you know. Keep the party with intention to pay him back, you know. And police come and lock off the party.
Yo, boy, you have not come to hear that, you know. That me I tell you. Papa, I finish boy, no fuck with me, then you mad max. Boy, me kill you, bro.
Yo, enough of that now, man. A bossy friend. And bossy never send me to kill him. So yeah, you hear what me I say now? Never tell bossy say him foot and broke.
Kill me, they want to kill me now.
If he did kill me, I would have killed him. Come on now.
have reached to the end of the video. It simply means if you are listening to my that if you're listening to my voice, you are at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thank you to everybody that keep on supporting what we do. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers, and for it to continue to grow, you guys need to continue to share the content in whatever means and ways you can. If you want to post it on your Instagram, if you want to send it over to Facebook, do so. And remember, head over to Instagram and follow us, Richard Brown Films. And remember, the other channel, Jamiewood, we also post movie over there, so you guys should subscribe to that channel and hit the notification bell. And thank you to everybody that keep on supporting us, whether it may be to share the content, whether it may be just to contact us, to send us a donation. Please remember, we need every help that we can get. And also, if you guys want to reach out to us, hit us up on Instagram and we can talk a little bit more. Alright, want to say big up to Elaine for always supporting what we do. Want to say big up to Jules, big up to Antoinette, and big up to every single person that continue to look out for us and want to see us grow. Continue to support us while we grow, and continue to do what we do. I remember, we have a BTS channel, Richard Brown from Films BTS. Subscribe to that so you can see all the content that we are putting out and we are working on. And also, all those persons who are in the field of producing, please continue to do so. And please, I haven't forgotten about your Richard Brown Films t-shirt. I'm still waiting on them to arrive. Alright, so big up on yourself, continue to support, and big up to the official members. Please continue to be a member as we continue to grow and make this a wonderful place for Jamaica. So big up on yourself, Richard Brown Films, and the entire team, Fire, Popeye, Alton, Candy, and every single one. Brown man, you don't know, Akin. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man.